Nice to meet you. In today's video, for those who are beginners on Bybit, we will go step by step through how to sign up on mobile, and how to complete KYC verification. Please follow along slowly. First, we will learn how to create a Bybit account. Please install the Bybit app on your mobile device. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Press the Sign Up Login button below to create an account. Press the Sign Up button at the top right. First, select your nationality. Then press the Register Now button below. Please create your account by entering your email address or mobile phone number. Next, press the referral code. Then a referral code input field will appear. Please enter BB333 here. If you enter this, you can receive a 20% fee discount on Bybit, and bonus rewards. So we recommend that you make sure to enter it before signing up. When you enter BB333, you can confirm that the exclusive rewards have been automatically applied. Check the agreement box below. Then press the Sign Up Now button. Slide the puzzle to the right to match it. And complete the email or mobile verification. Next, please set your password. The password must be at least 8 characters long, and include a combination of at least one uppercase letter, lowercase letter, and number. Then press the Sign Up Now button. And your Bybit account creation will be completed. Second, we will learn how to complete KYC verification. You must complete KYC verification in order to deposit, withdraw, and trade on Bybit, so please make sure to finish the verification. First, press Verify My Identity below. Select the country where you reside. And then proceed with identity verification. From the various document types below, please choose one identification document that you can verify with. Today, we will proceed with a passport. Press Continue below. Next, prepare your identification document, and press the Continue button. Align the passport information page within the camera frame, and take a clear photo without light reflection. Next, align your face within the camera frame. And follow the on-screen instructions by nodding your head or blinking your eyes. Then the KYC verification process will be completed. And the KYC review will proceed, which takes about 1 hour. After a short time, the KYC verification will be successfully completed. Third, we will learn how to set up Google Authenticator. Please go to the Bybit home screen. Press the profile icon at the top left. And then press the arrow icon at the top right. Select Security. To set up Security, press the activation button for Google Authentication. Proceed with email or mobile verification. Then, a screen guiding you to install Google Authenticator will appear. Please install the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. Once the app installation is complete, press Continue. Then a 16-digit key will be generated in the Bybit app. Please copy this 16-digit key and open the installed Google Authenticator. Next, press the plus button at the bottom right and select Enter a setup key. For code name, enter Bybit. And for your key, paste the 16-digit key that you just copied from the Bybit app. Press the Add button below. And a 6-digit code for Bybit will be generated in the Google Authenticator app. Please copy this 6-digit code and go back to the Bybit app. Press the Next button below. And in the Google Authenticator code input field, paste the 6-digit code you just copied from Google Authenticator. Then Google Authenticator will be successfully set up. In today's video, for those who are beginners on Bybit, we looked step by step at how to sign up on mobile, and how to complete KYC verification. If you have any difficulties or questions while signing up, please feel free to ask in the comments anytime. Your subscriptions and likes are a big help in creating videos. Thank you for watching.